Hello. And welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy. And ich mache live videos. Mostly of Yiddish. If I'm back to the antique video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. This helps me in the channel out tremendously, so thank you for that. Nog dat je kent weer naar channel member, ik heb hier de join button. Ze gaat een lange, riesige weg. En ze brengt erover de content te werden beter. Ook het gepint. Buy Me a Coffee is een website op die wilst zelf van de channel, kan je heen dorten. En als die wilst dafke, niet gaan door anywhere, wil gaan door quick pay. Kan je schicken at viggivibes@gmail.com. Alright, let's get into it. We zijn wat dit zich gaat. Yankee T. Good morning, good morning. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Adam K. Good morning, good morning. Adam K. Shalom Aleichem, wat dit zich? I'm doing alright. We zijn geweest aan Shabbos dan weekend. Yankee, I hope you recovered. I hope you recovered. Ik hoffe, es ist nicht gewesen also terrible. Yankee, am I onto something, Yankee? Or almost onto something, and you know what I mean? Wegen dem werden Chassanem into trouble, was werden extremely excited and man geht overboard. Gold, $4,046. Bitcoin, 115. Oh, but so gehen wir da kleine Jumper auf zu 116. Okay. Adam K, wie ist er gewesen? Wieso ist? The Dow Jones hat sich gemacht bei 47,207. But the high, 47,327. Gold is 4K, yep. Sie gewinnt schon 4,300. Sie zurück herumgekommen. Der High gewinnt am Ende 43. 40, almost 4,400. So Taruga dropped $400. One, two, three, 4, 5 days ago, 5 to 7 days ago, is it given about 4,400, almost 44. Was nicht bekommen 44, whatever die was es verkauft, weil jener darf machen Commission. Jener darf dem Kopf wie schon. Man darf doch auch machen Geld. You know what I mean. But Yankees, das wissen, sie freut sich mit der Herz, aber whatever geschehen, die bist du. Meaning, die bist okay. Nicht, die bist du, in fact. Die bist okay. The economy is in the earth. Yankee. Who's gate far? Yankee, bist aber okay? Es gehad. The silence. Kim du aran klur. Yankee soll's wissen, wenn ich mach den Like-Poll in der Früh, soll's wissen, als a Dislike pusht es weg. A Like or a Dislike auf a Video meint nicht, dass die hast es lieb, meaning, sie die agrees mit jenem, sie nicht. Was es ist, als pusht weg, sie sagt, die hast es nicht lieb, schickt es nicht bei keinem, you know? So I'm just saying. I mean, again, kennst die, wo du willst. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just explaining. Weißt du, Menschen gehen darauf auf ein Video und man hat nicht lieb jenem Video. Just saying. You feeling alright? Nice. So gehen besser, wenn du bist in daheim, Yankee, ja? When I heard the story, I right away knew that I was like, I hope Yankee is okay. I hope Yankee is okay. But I'm glad from these stories, I do a paar meine Wegen, was keiner rausgekommen. So I'm glad du bist da rausgekommen in the Gitter Bay. Sam, Bam, Wham. Good morning. How you doing? Guten Sie Morgen. How you doing? Not full screen. Was geschehen ist, als sag mal, wenn ich gehe weg von der Computer, wenn ich set auf und noch gehe weg von der Computer, wird es stuck. So ich kann auch das machen. In keer mich klar, in keer mich geht, alles ist klar. Oder the sound is good. Oh, nice, Yankee. Thank you, I appreciate it. I know. Hast du schon gemacht, klar, dass nicht verdient. Oh, ich vergessen zu bringen. Ich habe immer ein paar Sachen in der Mail. I'm trying to point the finger on the vibe this morning. What's with the white on top? This is the board. The board. Ich hab Dark Mode. Machen es wie a tinkele Mode. Mit kein Winter, mit a Schau, mit a Code. Ich hab getracht, ich darf Music. Calm music, you know? But the call hit man geht, alles geht. I just mentioned the song because we got the stock market and the people still saying the economy is down. The stock market is nicht echt a indicator for the economy. Obviously, wenn es geht darauf, sucht jeder an, the economy is hoch, was ist nicht echt, nicht kann gitter das. You never saw the white on top. So I be gewinnt. Das ist I be gewinnt. Die Reds find du oben, bei der Website bar, I be gewinnt. There's always a full black screen. I don't think so. I mean, I could be mistaken. Now in my boots I do shaking. Mit a bissl cash heranreiken. Hopefully my Schuch hat nicht flaken. Jetzt hat man fuhren auf dem Highway, man Babbe in front hat geben, man breken. CG, guten Sie Morgen, how you doing? How are you? Wie Sie gewinnt an Shabbos, wie Sie gewinnt an Weekend? Man hat sich recharged. What's up? Wo tut's up? I don't know what's up. Meaning like, nothing really. Nothing really. I don't know. Ich weiß nicht. Ich halte mit den Aufsätzen, du. Chaim. Chaim, how you doing? Chaim is Naidu. Hello and welcome, Chaim. How you doing? Was geht vor mit ach? Hallo, wie die Kims du an Anklach? CG, weißt du, du hast Weg von reden, CG, you know, like, du hast Weg von, like, do you mind, please, come on, do me a favor, you know what I'm saying? Like, machen and teen and days is, like, very, triggering, I would say. Your stocks are looking good today? I like it. So, Chaim, die bist Naidu, von wie checkst that an, and welcome. Wir sind gewesen an Shabbos, wir sind gewesen an Weekender. Sind ich, finde Shabbos, für mein Weekend bis jetzt, ist like a langer Tag, und ich gehe durch Sachen auf Sintig, so ich vergesse. I apologize, Ki. Also ich vergesse. CG, der Riesen, für was kann ich geliked der Chat, ist, weil man sieht der Chat anyways, in der Saat von der Des, und auch, wenn ich watch etwas, und es ist in der Weg, und einfach es regnet, verstehst? Bei dir, Yankee, arbeitet, hat dann stark geht? Ja. Aber wir tun nicht, again, wir tun nicht in der Samin Weg, I'm sorry. Es ist just ein Weg, wie so man redet. Also die Idee von Investen in Stocks ist nicht zu kicken, Sintig, Montag und Dienstag. Die Idee ist zu liken und lassen, nicht kicken. Weil man kauft es nicht für jetzt anyways. Man kauft es technically never ever to use, hopefully, ja. So wie Car Insurance, so wie CPR machine, Hatzula, you know. CG, for you, because just, you know, at least, als gearbeitet auf der, we shall do it. We shall do it for you. There you go. There you go, CG. Just wissen though, CG, I appreciate you being here. Hand, einer von der Viewers, einer von der Channel Members is a special day. Mit warten, bis kommt heran und mit das mentionen. Hold on. What should be feeling 12 days before your wedding? Sen ich du gut nicht feel. Like, don't take any pressure. It's okay, die feels nicht gut nicht. It's okay, die feels die ja. It's so, like, just take it. Wie sie mir sagt. Deep breath, and however you feel. Ruhig, calm, nervös, excited. By the way, excitement and nervös kann ich sagen, was an derselbe Sache. Just name deep breaths, and, I think the camera is do schief. Ja, the camera is schief. Okay, but das zurückgeschifft. So just Yankee, just you feel happy? Good. Just in von der News, in raus von der Mall. Und sind nicht du keine Expectations, sind nicht du, just never on the moment. Du hast auch Menschen, die werden übergenommen und es ist over, you know? Not nervous, good. I mean, if du bist nervous, ist auch gut. Sind nicht du kein Weg, wie man fühlt. Jeder eine fühlt seinen Weg. You know? So just enjoy the moment. Never say that. Thank you, CG. Ich leine das also. Thank you very much. Nice and humble. Nicht so humble. Ja, nicht gesagt. I got my faults as well. But take a lot of advice. Für wem sie auch nehmen Advice? Von anderen Menschen, was darf man auch Advice? You know? So du Sachen, CG, wo es Menschen werden comfortable mit. Meaning, sie weißen, wo sie weißen. Einer, was ich arbeite 20 Jahre in Cars, weiß, like, weiß. Und noch kommt einer, was arbeitet 15 Minuten in Cars, und sagt, aber, sag mal, wenn man weiß man. But Yankee, just let it be, let it, wie man also wie man Chaber Hershey sagt, sitz darin, no matter what. You know? Not before you. Yankee, line the book. Get the knowledge in. Es ist wichtig. Meine Yeshiva pflegt sagen, Chassana meinen, Bucherum und Chassana meinen, als hinter der Kippe geht man just geben, rig dem Switch und alles geht sein geht. Und man darf wissen, dass life is life. So just be, you know, careful. Meaning like, du hast Sachen, wo es ist Chulam. So. Jener book happens to be sehr gut für das. Für Communication. Für Kommunikation. $904. Trump rolls out VP run for 2028. Former president, I was ex-former. Don't know. Gaat niet laufen as a vice president in 2028. Would have that been a loophole for him to laufen? Interesting. Well, I definitely trolled the left. Mit der ganze 2028 Sache. Lawmakers approve legislation requiring ByteDance to divest its US stake or face nationwide ban on the app. This is TikTok. Yeah, TikTok is terrible. Terrible. BKYA, nochmal mal sehen. BKYA ist schon gewesen auf der List. BKYA, YI. Soho. Ah. C-L-I-K. Tidida, tidida. Lass mal sehen, du, wie es halt. Sich geben dort, aber halt. In Wald, den ganzen Kalt. Soho most probably geworden a merger. Agreeing to acquisition. Soho is acquisition. A rupf in dem List. In CLIK Sisach Geld. Yankee, ich würde sagen, was Rabbi Lenkeri pflegt sagen für alle Chassanem. Geh daven Mincha Maref, jeden Tag. Mach es a Most. Ich hab mich gefragt, von wo. Ich hab gesagt, ohne bei Maut Chassan, haben wir noch excited, man verlangt darin ein bisschen. Und noch dann wird live serious. Man darf auch mal ein Break. Ja, a viele von der Wab. Und a viele von den Kindern darf man ein Break. In dem sucht man von der Wab, oh, geh daven Mincha. Und sie kijkt dich und sie geht, bra. Do me that never, okay? But ob die Tisch schon eine Sache von der Beginning, ist es schon herangebakt. You know what I mean? Ist es schon herangetein. The market von 6 Eigenächten hat gegabt. Von 25 all the way up to 25.7. 25.57. So it's gegeben bei 25.7. Wow. $200 mehr. CG, definitely not financial advice. Definitely. Oh, ganz vergessen zu sagen. So absolutely, positively, 100%ly. Not financial advice. Kapi nicht schreit. Kiek es wie ein Kind, ein Adult, was spielt sich mit Lego und weiß nicht, was es ist. Weiß nicht, wo seid ihr. So, yeah. Thank you for alle likes. I appreciate it. Jeder Like geht riesige Plätze. Sieht sich viel wie ich habe, also wie ein Maschgiach. Du bist ein Maschgiach. Ich suche es in the most positive way. So man Danny kijkt als hij gaat gewinnen de Democratic, hij gaat werden mayor in Israël sogar. Ja. In New York. Winnen wir, wo werden wir? In wo werden wir? Das line in the books, Yankee. Heroes the book. They men are from Mars, women are from Venus. And again, wenn man leint ein Buch, darf man nicht nehmen jede Wort, was sagt, but the concepts, the ideas. Live lesson. Guten Sie Morgen, how you doing? Wie Sie gewinnen an Shabbos, wie Sie gewinnen an Weekend. My number said... Okay, Livy, I don't know. Ich bin nicht so gut in die politische ways. So wer geht gewinnen? Seliwa? Curtis Sliwa? Oder Andrew Cuomo? Als es nicht dem, dann wer denn? The Oilem hat him lieb, meaning the young socialists, the Muslims haben him lieb. The young people haben him lieb. Jeder was zult $3.500 rent hat him lieb. Trump ist echt umgekommen zu Malaysia. Ich habe gesehen ein Video, wie kommt zurück von der Plane und fängt sich an, also wie schaukeln, was haben sie gedanced, also. Und auf X, auf Twitter kann man sehen, einer sagt, what a shame, und der andere sagt, oh, how great. Dieselbe Sache, dieselbe Video, zwei andere Perspectives. Andrew Cuomo hat besser. Just imagine, als New York darf sie kommen, als Andrew Cuomo es geht, noch ein Team mit der Covid, was getan. Terrible. I don't do politics, I read numbers and behaviors for a living. Alright. Ich kann nicht echt arguen mit dir, weil ich kann das nicht. Brooklyn. Morning. How you doing? Was heet's Brooklyn? Wie sie gewähnt der Shabbos, wie sie gewähnt der Weekend. Welcome to a new week. Don't be weak, be strong. Act like you belong. He's not good, he's better. Just imagine, as Andrew Cuomo is besser. So then the guy say, the way to come to that. Do you want moldy fish or you want fish with mold? It's your choice. Shabbos was really nice. Nice, Levi. Trach this jede Woche. Aren't we lucky? We are so lucky with the fact as jede siebete Tag is game over. Sie gemacht, as much as possible, of course. Which I feel like, why would I ever give this up? Yankiti, and you read people's faces. Nacht bin ich gegangen schlafen früh. But wäre ich 3 Zeiger in der Früh, habe ich mich aufgeweckt. And I was just staring at the roof, at the ceiling. I was like, what am I doing? Ich habe nicht mein Phone in der Room. Ich nehme mich ran mein Phone in der Room. Thank you, Hershey. Dann will ich sagen, Hershey hat schon ein paar Mal gerät, also lässt nicht heran sein Phone in der Room. Und der 10. Mal, was hat es gesucht, hat es geklickt. And since then, almost a year, nehme ich schon mein Phone in the room. So I was just looking at the roof. No, it's moldy fish or fish I don't like. Ja, aber man redt doch ist persönlich. So whatever you do like, chicken, steak, willst moldy steak oder steak was hat mold? Sie gets es an bold. So funny, bold meint einer, was hat nicht kein Hut auf dem Kopf. Bold meint einer, was hat nicht kein kretzelig in Kopf, menschlich in Kopf. Cool. No food stamps are coming next week. I hope people have money saved away for food. Oh ja, ich habe gesehen, der Eulam auf X, habe gesehen Videos, wie a certain demographic hat gesagt, we don't care, ich gehe shopping, und if my EBT-Card geht nicht durch, gehe ich herauswacken von der Store. There's gonna be a lot of issues. But again, man darf das durchgehen. Wie viel Geld geht für Food Stamps auch heute? Google geht man nicht do. Wir gehen zu Chat. Aber wir gehen do. $5 billion nach heute. Wow. So, as food stamps hört aufkommen, I sag groceries are gonna not really gonna hit a no. Aren't they gonna get like a little hit? In 2025, haben sie gespent $100 billion in food stamps. Wow. I hope people are, are prepared. The government shutdown is huge. This is wegen government shutdown, right, Brooklyn? As I heard off. Don't listen to the news. Cut the noise. Cut the noise. I mean, what's leaves the news, you know? Trump hat doch schon gegeben von der News. Fox News, CNN, MSNBC, CNBC. Das alles hat verloren. Michigan Trust, which is perfect. Sam Leber sagt, F Trump. Uh-oh, Sam. Uh-oh. Favos. Vai. Ich sag mal, wenn man ist ein Leader, ich suche nicht, darf du, wenn man ist ein Leader, darf man machen. Ich sag mal, heavy choices. Snap is news, it's irrelevant. I mean, ich habe den meisten Rechmunus auf den Menschen, die davon tacken sich kommen zu Snap. But the problem is, dass du so viele Menschen, die sind abused. They abusen the Snap system. So, I'm like, what do you want us to do? He's taking out bread of our mouth. Sam, but when du bist a leader, you have to make some difficult decisions. So nicht du bessere decisions sometimes. Ich such nicht du. I'm just saying, like, man meint als a leader, für geringe decisions darf man nicht kein guter leader. Sie geben für jedem a goldene toilet is, you know, mit a waiter, mit food, mit cars in Hazer, das ist nicht kein guter politician, meaning das ist kein guter Führer für dem. The tough decision is wenn die das a leader. Sag mal, darf a leader machen a decision between a tough Sach und a tough Sach. In a Sach mal, wenn a leader macht a tough decision, gehen Menschen sadly laden. And that's like sad. I do recognize that. It's like a doctor, yes. Und da schnaden nach Fies von einem Mensch. Der Doktor kommt heran zu der Room und sagt ihm, Sir, Sie gegessen Sie sich Zikaier. Da verrupt man dem Fies. Kann man schreien an der Doktor? Good one, Levi. Nobody abused it? Brooklyn. How can you say that? How can you say that, Brooklyn? Just to be honest, ich reine nicht reden von sort of local situation. Ich reine reden von, was ich gesehen auf X, Videos, die Menschen posten, sie gehen kaufen Sachen. Es hat nicht ausgekickt wie diese der Sachen, wo es Foodstamps so gedacht wird so. Trump cut all science programs. Bastard! Seht, man darf auch machen tough decisions. I'm not saying, as jede decision, was macht, ist gut. Kann doch nicht machen, jede decision geht. Spy 676. Oh, das ist doch darauf gegebt. 686 suchst du dort nach meiner Short, nach Financial Advice. Und ich weiß nicht, er gecut alle Science Programs. Er gecut some. Most people that take it need it. By the way, als $100 billion a jaar is es beërig $9 billion. Nicht 5. China's currency will soon be the world's reserve currency. Ooh, that will be not good, huh? The yen? Was nützen sie dort? The yen? Oder the ying? Sam, that will never happen. Not on the Trump's watch. Levi, das ist ansari. Du suchst nur deine Opinion. Sam hat gesucht seine Opinion. Sam ist nicht schade, warum suchen seine Opinion. So shouldn't you. Yes, because they done most of the gold in the last 20 years, and they are actually blasting it into gold, not like the US, out of thin air. Ja, we zijn op van gold, hè? Met zijn ze. Sam Beam Wim. Let him build a ballroom, focus there. What color chairs are needed? Brooklyn, huh? Oh, trolled there mit dem ballroom. And by the way, ich habe gesehen a video von years ago, ich meine 2016 oder maybe before, wie redt von a ballroom. Sagt, man muss bauen a ballroom, aufzunehmen Menschen. Sagt, man like tents. In der Gebermann, wo es verkauft, wo es rennt tent, macht Sach Geld, sagt so over. Da bauen a tent, a building. Und auch sagt dass es for security reasons. Demmels, jene Video. Everything is more stable than 1 year ago. Yankee, this is what the Chassana. This is the oil is like Yankee at Chassana. We'll give him a break. Give him a break. The French authorities have arrested 2 suspects in the daring jewel theft from the museum, recovering parts of the 10 million stolen last month. Ja, ich hab mir geemailt a video, was ich gewollt watchen später, finde, mach even doen, man, Gmail. Man, Jamal, finde heißt, einer hat Burig Moshe da heißt. Like, gegeben zu verstehen, wie sie da heißt, die geschehen, ich hab es nicht gewatscht. From the Louvre. De market heeft het over na paar minuten. At least you get your crown back. Yeah, Brooklyn, you deserve your crown, my man. Every little bit of it. Zijn we 1 minute weg. Intel is going to the moon. Intel is going to the moon. Is vliegen door tafoon. Fragen wie ja hoon. Penny. Good morning, Penny. How you doing? Hello, welcome. We zijn on weekend. We zijn on Shabbos. Hold on, Penny. Hold on to your bridges.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Penny. Happy birthday, Penny. Penny.
Happy birthday to you.
Penny. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Penny.
Happy birthday to you.
Ba-da-bidi-bidi-bip. Happy birthday. There you go, Penny.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday, Penny. Happy birthday. That's nur zijn nach gebrochen at sluchen, you know. With happiness and all that. It is your birthday. Palantir is breaking down. Bye bye. Penny, noch 25 zahlt man schon nicht. You know what I'm saying? Das tut mir Health, Wealth, Ruhigkeit, Simcha. gesinnt nachher Bruch Hatzlucha. Shulam Bayes. Oh, that. He turned 22. Yeah. I'm a child. Puppy years, you know what I'm saying? Time is only a number. Take the problem with time. Took this from my bank account. It's only a number. And they were like, yes, exactly. Key. Time and space is intertwined. Ooh. Deze sounds like philosophical. Michigan. Sophisticated. I feel in my bone. Ich habe gewatcht das Video, was ich muss sagen, ich habe nicht gewatcht das ganze Video von nun bis zum Sof. Ich habe nur gewatcht, like the idea. Wie einer da gehabt, 80-jähriger Mama und Tata. Und sie haben schon ungehoben werden, also wie älter, ja? Like, sie haben einen Walker, und sie haben Möhrer gehabt. Und die Kinder sind aufgelegt auf Weightlifting, Heavy Weightlifting. Nicht heavy, but lifting weights. Und noch ein paar Wochen haben wir gesehen, the Michigan change. So, I believe you. Esther, die Schwester, all the way from Canada. Hello and welcome. Good morning. How you doing? Wir sind in der Weekend, wir sind in der Schaf. Who knows where I end up in 22 years? I mean, we can take a guess. Let's not guess. Penny, focus about today. 22 years ist nicht interessant. Jeder geht dahin, jeder wird samt. Oh. The human lifespan is gradually increasing. In Ochet, every day you're alive, it will bist du mehr in a chance in Leben forever. So, buckle up, ladies. I'm looking for the cake. Nora zeggen cakes do of the chat, you know what I mean? They cakes doesn't deliver any sugar and diabetes. Diabetes. My pleasure as a gedenk is my pleasure. But how are you feeling, Penny? Life is an adventure. Can't wait to see what follows. Yeah. But man davon lifting weights, heavy like weightlifting. It's this is the man next to goal. This is on full and nun I'm aufheben heavyweight. Ich will das Team mit der trainer because I don't want to do the wrong thing, you know. But it's gonna make you young again. Nicht by age, by feel. Der geht mir andere Spiel. Der ist an der neue cool, nicht cool. Alright. Sollen wir gehen weiter mit der cozy music oder sollen wir dann switchen zu ein bisschen mehr Liebe dich? Simcha music. Lass mir das geben, Masi. Ah, Penny, that was for you. Grab a cake, Penny. Look on the screen. Happy birthday, Penny. Happy birthday, Penny. Thank you, Brooklyn. Kunnen we gaan een beetje simcha music dan? Mama. En zijn we erin? Ja, mama. I'll be back in a minute.
Der heilige Oberschäfer wird helfen. Es wird sein Gitt. Es gibt bessere Tag mit dem Oberschäfers Hilfe.
I'm back.
Der heilige Oberschäfer wird
helfen. Wenn es angeht. Es gibt bessere Tag. De gitte tegen do, Yankee, nice. Brooklyn. Penny is 18 mit 4,000 Chadushim, so he's young. Pa pa pa. Pa da pa pa. Since I entered my fourth decade, I have to focus on how I bend my back, a wrong move, and I see type of colors and stars and universe. Yes, Sam. Yep. I know what you mean. Ich suche für wie weiß man wird älter, wenn man tanzt drauf von einer Pickup Truck und man geht, oh, no, I cannot do that no more. Und man nimmt mit einer kleinen Bänkel. Van de tante het die go, dan tante het die go. De tante het die go. You're not old, you're experienced. Get. Can you go to the bathroom alone? Brooklyn. Kann ich gewiss, dass Eichler Vroom hat ein Live-Feed in Viggy Vibes. Penny, bist nicht alt, du hast Wisdom. So, gerade a Wisdom tooth, but you know. Yeah, Brooklyn had a gitte humor. Sam had a gitte humor. We are full of humor. Penny, yes. The Baba Sheikh, huh? So fliegt man es rief. Man rief das noch alt, so. Murai vekudosh, levadoi, murai vekudosh. Murai vekudosh, iki levadoi, murai vekudosh, iki levadoi, murai vekudosh. Yael geviroi, oi sechadushois, baal melchomois, zeroyate vukois masmiach. Bitcoin 114. Kunnen we naar Dampel? Tesla 444. Toby the Dove. Toby the Dove. Good morning, good afternoon for you. How you doing? We zijn naar Shabbos, we zijn weekend. Toby, when someone says 120, I always feel like by the 119, be nervous. Why? I have one more year to be good. Then I'm all alone. I'm all by myself. So. Penny, that's not I'm auf einem heavyweights. I mean, on einem Start, of course. It will be the best change in your life that you could do, in my opinion. All fighting heavy things and not applying heavy things is the way to go. That's what our bodies needs. And besides good food, for fuel. Wo sind das so special, als wir kommen von Brooklyn a Bruche? Fins weiter. Weiter, 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 weiter. Aber Helfins weiter. MCETS. Hello and welcome. Wir sind in Weekend, wir sind in Shah. Welcome. MCETS. Das Social Security number steht negative vor, hè? Er bekommen sein Social Security card bei der 15. Jack! Hello and welcome back. How you doing, Jack? Wow, it has been a minute. Welcome, welcome. How you be? Welcome back from the desert or from the sea. Wow. They got life sentence to Joseph, 75 years. I see what you're saying, Brooklyn. But Jack, how you be? Welcome back. What a name. What a name to see in the morning. Thank you. Noran, hello. That Noran, hello, Jack. Does it for me. You know what I mean? Hoidi Lashem Kitoi, Kini yo yelam le yo yelam chazdoi. Hoidi Lashem Kitoi, Hoidi Lashem Kitoi, Kini yo yelam le yo yelam chazdoi. Hoidi Lashem Kitoi. Penny. Thank you so much. Penny. Appreciate you. W for Penny. Thank you, Penny. My pleasure, Jack. Ich bin taka so happy. Ich darf mich machen. Weißt du, der Maler, du. It doesn't take any energy because it's real. A few days ago, we were asking about you guys, you know, Jack and Martin and the other crew. And we're like, wie zijn zij? And nice to see you that you're okay. Kitso bijna te rangelakt in an account in X video, but know what I'm saying? Thank you, yes. It's growing. There's a possibility as a guy sitting on a green screen. We're still debating. Lila sheveben ki yitovovoy ki le yoyelam le yoyelam chazdoy. Ay me sanselim. Where is Yankee? What do you mean? What am I do? So Jack, how you been? How you be? A while back. If you look at one of my earliest videos, you'll see it. We'll see. We don't know yet. Why don't you leave it natural? This is the discussion, Vusichab. That is the discussions I'm having. So we'll see. No, maybe. I'm just saying. I'm working on getting a standing desk. Dus ik kan aufheben mit Reisen. So ich kann aufstehen. Das sagt man einfach will ich stehen. So. A neue desk kostet $800. So I'm working on a used one. So we'll see. You can do it Zoom. Weil der Eibisch dir ist geht. You've missed something big. Every day is different. I don't know. Jackson, ich echt do missing because whenever the Kims is the dog, you know. But we're glad you're here. We are glad you're here. Say Whooshy. You don't need green screen. You can do Zoom. Meaning, ich nicht OBS von mein camera sag, so I'm not sure what you mean by Zoom. Moishi Feldman. Good morning, how you doing? Hello and welcome. Visiting on Shah, visiting on weekend. If you go in Schmidt's direction, I'm okay. No, not Esther. Green screen is not, you don't see the green. Let me explain. You don't see green. You'll see just me in the shot. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm saying I don't think so. I'm just pink einde het aufgebracht, so I'm just discussing it. Let's zeggen. I'm happy for the winter. Do you like winter? Usually heb ik lieb kelt besser, but since I walk every day, I've been walking every day, so it's gonna be challenging, but I don't know. I'm changing my stance on Libum Winter. Very motivated today. Nice. Good. Needs the motivation to something good. Enjoy the motivation. Enjoy the feeling. Bookshi. Yes, father. I'm sure she's exactly where she needs to be. Out the winter, but not in the morning. Doesn't work that way, Yankee. This winter is all the time. What are we doing today? We're doing a lot. What do you mean? Everybody's doing what they need to be doing. Yeah, to shout out Nelly Weber's latest podcast. Nice. Yeah, I mit es geschickt nächten. I mir geschickt a clip, which is very nice. Ich wollte sagen, I live rent free. Just being funny. I was thinking of Neo Green Decor. No. Nicht kein Neo Green Decor, no. You know it. Oh yeah, you know it. I know it, Milvadoi. Oh yeah, you know it. You know it. Oh yeah, you know it. Yes, bro, you love me, yes. I know it, Milvado, yes. What did I believe when I did what is on or geht? Hashem is Borah. What did I believe? Noch Libi, Ahavu Seicho. Libi, Ahavu Seicho. Libi. Hat er gesucht? Muss ich schon sagen? 9:30 when the market opens up, it can become a winter. Yes. Kommen Sie an einer kalten Winter. Es kriegt uns in der Market Food gut. So, darf sich ein bisschen beruhigen. The part was ich gehört. Sally, good morning. Thank you, Sally. How you doing? Hello, welcome. Brooklyn, the part was ich gesehen, ich gewesen positive. I mean, kann ich herausgehen mit kein Pen and Paper in ungeheben, also wie dort gar jede Inch, but but I think positive. Good one. It was a surprise to see him here, Sally. It was a surprise. Jack is back. Tesla kijkt ons even goed daarover. 447. Houdt zich stark. Supposedly had Apple gemacht hebben ze deal met SpaceX. Go, go. Good morning, Go, go. How you doing? How you be? Wir sind am Weekend, wir sind am Shabbos. How you be? Wow, Esther, 73 young. Nice. Happy birthday, Esther. All the way in the Schwester von Canada. Toby, did I say good morning to you as well? I don't remember. So Toby the Dove. Good morning. Hello and welcome. I just don't remember. Yeah, I did. But I'm not taking it back. You should still have a good morning. You know when you tell someone, oh, goodbye, have a good day. And they're like, oh, I'm not going yet. And we're like, okay, do not have a good day yet. So, it's beginners wie Jens. So you do sechu, da hab ich lieber je liebe mit zwei sechu, weini, was me yechu. So you do sechu. Toby, sometimes I don't remember, you know? So, I just want to make sure I don't want to leave anybody out. Oh, yeah, da, 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 la, 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 la. Oh, yeah. Actually, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I think I did say good afternoon because you said something. Now I remember. Now it's all coming back. Brooklyn, don't tell anyone, but you're my favorite. Esther, you should know he's all our favorites. Brooklyn, we call him here Brooklyn the Sweetie. My pleasure, Toby. One of the goals. Oh yeah, boy. La Did it lie. Yeah. It's funny that he has a whole borough to himself, you know? When someone says, oh, where do you live? Brooklyn, I automatically be like, wait, you live in Brooklyn's house? Is it okay to have a favorite child? Yes. Just you're not allowed to say it. MCTS. Everybody has a favorite child, in my opinion. The people with one kid are lucky because they could say it out loud. Then is the Schwutem Yosef gewähnt der favorite, and because Jakob hat es gesucht, hat man ihn verkauft. You know what I'm saying? I spelled you because I'm Canadian. Sorry. I know I'm every woman's dream. Brooklyn. Don't you do stuffs? This is a hobby, you know. Some people fish for a hobby, some people catch fireflies. KGB hat a list von birthdays. I guess Sally is looking ahead, you know. A woman doesn't tell. Good one. She didn't find her kippah and her talit or prayer shawl. The prayer shawl had dezelfde vibe. The prayer shawl had dezelfde dag wie Shabbos lunch. Kill me now. No worries, Benny. No Hashem, I see you know. Oh no Hashem, I see you know. MCTS, ik ken zijn van hoe zo zijn creepy, maar ik ken ook het zijn als, you know, jeder had zeker een birthday. En jeder will feel special, especially of zijn birthday, you know. Against you, don't call me special, you know. But on the birthday, it feels comfortable, so net me the list. Imagine kind of what you gezocht happy birthday for Penny on. It would have been like, again, ooit me weiß nicht. Even op de tier van mir, even op de tier van mir, even op de tier van mir. Iemand die de lee is balloon. Den Ding had schon herangemacht. Iemand die de lee is balloon. Dabbenen. Dabbenen, 13 days, 12 days, I think. Toby. Dabbenen. Make it schön, dabbenen. Make it schön, dabbenen. Schäfer allein. Gemaar op de pillen. Is dat gitte nigen? Heilige Schäfer allein. Sorry dan. Yes, Benny. Agreed. Money is first. Always money is everything. Mata gidiloi bezoi. Abo umi. Mata gidiloi bezoi. Benny Medafish Ansari, please. Always need to, you gotta be proud of it. Money first. And look, when man had the geld, then what do you put number first after money? So don't let it fool you. From all people, I understand. Esther, everybody says that. Everybody doesn't want. You know, when you're at a restaurant and they sing happy birthday, everybody turns red. But you still do it. Still do it. It's your special day. You went around the sun one time. How many times do you think a human goes around the sun? 80, 90, 100? 120 times in their lifetime, hopefully. Chazali Denig. Slow day today, yes. It looks like it. Yes, Go-Go. I totally get it. Trading is not an idea. That is the right way to trade, by the way. That is the right way.
Michucham wie is maar eile wie is boinani Chazdai Hashem Michucham wie is maar eile wie is
Boinani.
Chazdai Hashem Tracht nur an de chassude mit in der Mate Adel vir gedir eidir bechal shate Michucham wie is maar eile wie is boinani Chazdai Hashem
Tracht nur daran und ich hast du dem Kind an Tate. Chazdai Hashem. Pa-pa-dam, pa-pa-pa-dam, pa-da-ba-da-bow.
Hab lieber jeden werde beschäftigen dir
Gebobe.
Die a Teuwe Faraiden werde beschäftigen dir a
Teuwe
Teuwe tu Samme Kare Vaiden werde beschäftigen dir me Karev zan Oi oi me Karev zan
Karev zan tzidi. Telling him the class man the birthday best. I'm CTS. Don't worry, I'm CTS. There's stuff to be worried. He lost during Young Tov 200K. Yeah, but it's auch gemacht. Thousands and thousands of dollars. Go. You can't just point out one thing, you know. Over my wife, here's Schwester. Esther. Good one. Long time no member video? What do you mean? A silver one. Good one, Toby. It's the thought. Shia. Good morning, Shia. How you doing? Welcome back. Glad back in the comments. Yeah. CG gewollt. Das ist alles wel CG. Lo ja hi lo. Hello. Das Hashem. Lo das Hashem elekecho. Just pointing out the risk he takes, yes. Go, have a lovely and awesome day. Machasach geld. Enjoy. Mastermind. Hello and welcome. Penny, I get the vibe. Did it die, yeah. Dididum, dididum, dididum. Nice, Toby. Toby got a haircut. Nice. Haircut is nice. Brooklyn got his sword and crown back. Everybody bow down to King Brooklyn. La 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 la. Digga dum. YG. Hello and welcome. How you doing? Puff va? La 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 la. La 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 la. Zalman Menachem, you on the positive. Mentioned you in the. Nice. That's nice. They called it two of the guys and the jewels from the P. They might, Toby, they could have also found a fall guy, you know? Like, somebody's got to be caught. You can hand me Borough Park, I'll leave the rest of Brooklyn. Yeah. Kindle bone maten ba shem la kaychem atem kindle bone maten ba shem kaychem I'm sorry, yes, that when somebody like that just jumps ship, it's like so messed up. I know, I figured. Gebogen een beetje hoer, was me dat kennen. I'm just kidding. Last week, almost my hair came off. It was very close to my whole head being shaved. Yuri Mevioin. It was as good as blinking in the way, so I started to go out there and cover. Nice. Do it. Take it off. Take it. Soon. There was once a guy who said he's very, very good in math. Very good in math. Very fast in math. So the guy said, yes, how much is 347 times 347? And he's like, 1400. And the guy said, hey, you're wrong. He's like, yeah, but it was fast. Seltzer guy. Boker tov, chaverim yukorim. Shalom, shalom. How you doing, Seltzer guy? It's been a minute, but nice to see you though. Beauty. Ribi. We're on a break now. Nice. Seltzer guy. Is da Nummern Seltzer? Meaning, ich in Brooklyn, was hat mir geschickt a short in the Nummern von jener Mensch heißt Seltzer. Is that you? Noch. Was, kann man nicht du. Gunisch hat sich richtig gerickt haben. Menachem Seltzer. Nice. It's Bayern Mime. Beer Mime. Yeah. By COVID times, I'm a Sachmenschen getrade. It was people made money because it was just a bull market. Because there was a lot of money coming in. But nachdem es wird schwer, people lose money and they, you know. So man darf sein careful mit traden. Weil wenn ein Market riecht sich a certain Weg, ist es gering. But wenn sie geht sich a Dreier im, lasst ihr über alles. Was wird sein? Prime grill, but it's expensive, yeah. Ich darf sagen, wie heißt der one in Times Square? La Marais? La Marais is not expensive. Equivalent to teure Restaurants. Was wird sein? Wow, gold is back to $4,000. I'd rather buy a whole cow and hire a shochet. That would be one birthday nobody's gonna forget. Can we start a collection of Mazel Tov messages for Yankee and his kala and send it in? Yeah, sure. I'll be the messenger. Kiva shuva siroi lo women. Good one, Sally. Prime Girl is not around, so they took down the Chase building. In Manhattan, Lamarais is not expensive. I mean, besides if you want to stay in Brooklyn. 12 days, MCTS. 12 days. Shabbos. Maybe you mean reserve cut? Welch is in Times Square? A block of Times Square. Shabbos. I think it's Lamarais, no? The French guy. Wacht, zolang ze hier en ik. Ribono shel olam, halom. Halom. Shel olam, ribono shel olam. Time chulamti. Ribono shel olam, ribono shel olam. Chulamti halom. Ni oidaya, v'yai ni oidaya, ma Viggy. V'yai ni oidaya, ma V'yai ni oidaya, ma Baba, 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 Wie is de plaats? Cattle. Mastermind. Mastermind, war das mir gementioned? Meint nicht jetzt, dass, you know. Digga, da, ba. Die. Wie heißt das? The one in no? Bei der Wasser in Brooklyn. The Barrel? Barrel heißt das? Bohem Kibe Gedische in Amake Ale. They should have called it the slaughterhouse. No, that's what they do in the cattle. Nah. Yes, Bohem Kibe Gedische, yes, Bohem Kibe Gedische in Amake Ale. Yiddish, Nächste Woche change man the Zeiger. Riecht man the Zeiger. We're moving it ahead or back? I could never remember. Peter Luga. Is it taka so crazy for Zimazuk? Is it so good? Or this is fabricated? Fabricatiet. Gotta send someone who eats there to report. Is it like a crazy waiting list or something? Growing up, man, I've gesagt, that's a crazy list. And okay, aber hinschick. We'll send. In winter, you get an extra hour to sleep. Oh, nice. I do that in the summer. I go to sleep earlier. 1 hour earlier. I'm kidding. To me. Oh, we're moving it back. Nice. So ze weet vrije nacht. Of de Zeiger vrije. Ze bleibt dezelfde tijd. But hat man nicht geschmiest a few years ago as we want to abolish that? Overrated? MCTS, I know where you're going with this. In de wijs midden de guys ermit. Het is gewoon een hit in, rekel ermit. De rest nog in de mid. Zoekt als het gaat. I wish they would abolish it. It was introduced for farmers, but I don't understand now, but I love it, Yis boinani. Yis boinani. Chazda Yashem. Michu chom b'yish mar I love it. Yis boinani. Yis boinani. Chazda Yashem. Michu chom b'yish mar I love it. Yis boinani. Yis boinani. Chazda Yashem. Michu chom b'yish mar I love it. Brapatao. Yis boinani. Chazda Yashem. Norara, vi kasuda med natate. Yeah, the Flaming Young sucks. I wouldn't know. Brooklyn ist ein ganzer Hassel heranzugehen, oder it's not so? The pork chops are better. Okay, we're gonna have to go figure it out myself. Seven's of 11:45 a.m. Sie werden richtig bei uns sind Verraum alle Kinder. Lie, 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 la, la, lie, 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 lie. Rib steak, $95, $94. Pecan pie. Well, hold on, Job nur. What? Dann mal kleine Menü. Alles geht's. Guten Sie Morgen. Hello and welcome. Thank you, Alice. Gets you as well. How you doing? Busy gewesen? Ik ben in Zifara Wawalekin. Squeal, good one. Shabbos is a blessing, BH. Nice. Yes. Love the long Friday nights. Es ist Geschmack, wenn es ist Geschmack. Wenn es ist geht, ist es geht. Und ob es ist schlecht, ui, ist es schlecht. Not more expensive than kosher? Okay. Hij zit me zich... Er zegt Friday night is good. Zoek als het good, is het super. Maar als het slecht is het terrible. You know, that's what I'm saying. No Hashem, ani avdechu. Oh, yo. MCDS, what I'm saying is certain things people enjoy very much, and in the other hand, if it's bad, it's terrible. You know what I mean? Like it's... Da. Ani Alecho Unu Hashem Yami Yavdecho Trump said he will end. Yeah, but he doesn't. He didn't do it. Saves your electric. Sally, thank you for being there. Appreciate you.
Oi, Shabbos is shine, Shabbos is rein, Shabbos is nohor, farin zidele chalai. Oi, vai, Shabbos is shine,
Shabbos is rein.
Oi, Shabbos is nohor, farin zidele chalai. Oi, vai, Shabbos is shine, Shabbos is rein, Shabbos is nohor, farin zidele chalai.
Shyness is am nayid oy lernen and davenen in kaim und lishmi oy
Viggy.
shyness is am nayid
Sorry, ich habe nicht mitgehalten mit der Chat. I'm just in a trade and I wanna...
lernen and davenen in kaim und lishmi oy shyness is am nayid lernen and davenen in kaim und lishmi
Rachamim, Hariga B'Shefer, Rachamim. Tell me you carry you down.
Zwei Chavayrim mit ganzen zusammen Rayim, Rayim, Rayim Yoili Hinushi tanzen du zusammen Rayim, Rayim, Rayim Lo mir tanzen gibt die Frauen Rayim,
Ich habe gesehen, Struggle Podcast. Ich weiß nicht, welche Episode ihr jetzt findet, aber... The new release with a Fally, Lassie, or whatever her name is. Mehani. There's a new one. So then no. Nope.
Yeah, alle Lishmoy, the Muchoy, the Soifechin, the Zamri Loy. Yeah, alle Lishmoy, the Muchoy, the Soifechin, the Zamri Loy. Yeah, alle Lishmoy, the Muchoy.
What an eye opener. Nice.
Yeah,
That is the whole idea of having podcasts. Sie educaten andere.
Hallo, gekereb shime. Kol Yisrael benay meluchim haim. Hallo, gekereb shime. Kol Yisrael benay meluchim haim. Hallo, gekereb shime. Hallo, gekereb shime. Kol Yisrael benay meluchim haim.
Roel Watson.
Hallo, gekereb shime. Hallo, gekereb shime.
Ze doen een video.
Benay meluchim haim.
Never for the people that stutter. Yeah. I second. Ze doen een video over zich wil watchen. Van ze is masber de robbery was geschehen in de Louvre. In de Louvre. Ich habe es nicht gewatscht, ich habe nur gefragt, ich will das watschen, für zu sehen, was ist geschehen. Es ist 8-minütige Video. It could be interesting, so let's get into it.
For the French, the Louvre is more than just a museum. What was once a royal palace became a public treasure house that France prides itself for. It represents the country's history and sits at the center of French culture and identity. That's why it was supposed to be untouchable. The cultural and historical value of the Louvre turned it into an impregnable fortress, guarded by scanners, cameras, and a small army of staff. It was believed to be the most secure place for any priceless piece of art. Yet on the quiet Sunday morning of October 19th, that illusion came crashing down. In a heist that lasted only 7 minutes, a crew slipped in through the second-floor window of the Galerie d'Apollon, like a scene from Ocean's 11, and emptied 2 cases of crown jewels. By noon, streets were shut off. The French public was in shambles, and every screen in Paris carried the same headline.
A sprawling international manhunt underway this morning after thieves took priceless jewels from the Louvre Museum in Paris.
This wasn't just a robbery, it was a strike at France's history and its national pride. This is how the Louvre got hit, in broad daylight.
Okay, let's go. We'll see.
For a long time, the Louvre has felt bulletproof, a palace-turned-museum that seemed beyond risk. However, this is not the first heist the Louvre has known. In 1911, Vincenzo Peruggia, an ordinary handyman, lifted the Mona Lisa off the wall, hid it, and turned it into a global obsession. After a 2-year-long search, the painting was found in Italy and restored to its place at the museum. Since then, security was rebuilt, and the Louvre has proven to have earned the status of an impregnable citadel. The masterpieces of art and national symbols it
Shia.
held were safely kept
Hello and
behind
welcome.
layers of protection. Cameras tucked along the walls, locked doors, and guard routes planned to the minute. The museum ran like a clock with controlled entrances and a 24/7 operations center. Despite all of this, the unthinkable happened when everyone least expected it. The heist took place in the Galerie d'Apollon, a hall that houses what is left of the French crown jewels, necklaces, and ceremonial pieces tied to French nobility. The gallery was not remote. It is located in the inner circle of the museum, only 250 meters away from the Mona Lisa. In this zone, everything says safe. Crowds of tourists, thick glass panes, vibration sensors on the cases, motion alarms in the corners, and guards who study every move. The one place you'd swear no one would dare to rob. And that's exactly why the hit felt more like a heist movie than a real incident. But here's the twist. This was not a sophisticated high-tech job with lasers and explosives. It was brilliantly simple. A lift, a window, a saw, and 7 ruthless minutes. It was clear that the heist crew did their homework beforehand. They chose Sunday morning, the quietest hour of the week, when foot traffic is low and response times are longer. They came dressed like French workmen in their famous yellow jackets and rolled up an ordinary basket lift to the Seine-facing facade. The placement was chosen with meticulous care, near a construction zone, exactly where a lift wouldn't look out of place and just far enough from the main flow of guards. At roughly 9:30 a.m., 3 or 4 men went up the lift to an upper floor window and forced it open with a blowtorch and a small chainsaw. Once inside the Galerie d'Apollon, they didn't wander or hesitate. They beelined to 2 specific cases with their grinders in hand. The grinders roared to life, and in under 4 to 7 minutes, the reinforced glass turned to dust under them. This is a real video shot by a tourist of one of the thieves while trying to get through to one of the jewels. The thieves managed to scoop 9 specific jewels, a tiara, a brooch, and a crown belonging to Empress Eugenie, wife of Napoleon III, and a bunch of other jewels similar in value. Alarms did sound, and protocols were followed.
We were just ready to go in to see the Mona Lisa when they swept us out of the gallery, swept us down the stairs by the Wing Victory. Then we were headed out the exit. We didn't realize the whole museum was being evacuated.
Security locked down the room, avoiding a physical fight with the robbers. They then started the evacuation of the museum immediately while waiting for the police. However, the delay between the breach and full response was all the thieves needed to get in, grab the jewels, and then retrace their steps out of the window. This is a real video filmed by a tourist of the thieves descending the lift. They escaped on the back of 2 waiting scooters. But not everything went according to plan. In their rush, a 19th century crown was dropped or discarded during their escape and later found by authorities in a nearby alley lying damaged on the ground. Inside the Louvre, police sealed entrances and the museum closed for the day. Forensics teams lifted prints from the lift's controls, pulled surveillance footage from interior corridors and exterior streets. To make sure not to be linked to the robbery, the thieves had rented out the lift truck 9 days prior. They placed the order under a fake name, and when the delivery guy came to deliver the lift truck, 2 masked guys showed up to the location and hijacked the truck. They painted it and put up a fake license plate. The initial investigation conclusion was quickly shaped. Experienced professionals exploited a construction site adjacent to the museum as an access to perform a high-level smash and grab. The thieves were last seen heading south on their scooters, likely aiming for the highway out of Paris altogether. The first part of their mission was successful, but what comes next is way more challenging. With all of France on their tail, will they be able to melt the pieces and see their money? Or will all of it be for nothing? France woke up to more than a theft. It was a blow to national pride that caused a political outcry, with Macron calling the raid an attack on our history. National Rally leader Jordan Bardella said it was an intolerable humiliation, and Marine Le Pen of Front National called it a wound to the French soul. What's even worse, this is not the first French museum to be hit. Since September, 3 museums have been hit in Paris. The National Museum of Natural History, the Museum of President Jacques Chirac, and now the Louvre. The pressure on authorities is at an all-time high to put an end to this humiliating pattern and appease the French public. Solving this heist is a race against the clock. Pieces this famous can't be sold intact, which pushes thieves towards breaking them up, melting them, and recutting their stones. That's why the first week following any museum heist is the most important. If pieces are recovered during it, they are usually still intact and can be saved. But beyond the 1-week mark, pieces are typically already gone for good. 800 million euros are on the line.
So they planned this very well with inside help, for sure. What they could do, there's 3 ways to do it. They could
Do a CNN. Inside job.
break them all up, sell the gold, sell the diamond. You know, listen, there's a lot of diamonds. That's one way. Then they could also wait a while, and a lot of times the insurance companies will put out a reward. No questions asked. If they, it's a $5 million hit, they'll put out $1 million right now. And, people do that. They actually wait.
Up to now, the thieves have left behind their scooters, the lift, and a yellow vest worn during the heist. With only a few clues available, things are not looking good for the French. Can France catch the thieves and save the jewels before history gets melted down? A question only time can answer.
Was interessant.
If you're interested in becoming a YouTuber, whether a personal channel or a faceless one, we made a document to help you understand a few key points before you actually invest in YouTube. Click the link in the description. It's completely free.
This is, the problem is, Verwus haben sie nicht gesehen, wie heißt das? Verwus hat die Maschine nicht gepfiffen, als hat aufgeschnitten the window. That I don't understand. Hast Sensors mit Sachen, es hat nicht geklingen? Penny, have a lovely one. Have a lovely one. So, ich verstehe nicht pinklich, verwus the window nicht hat kein Sensor. But hey, was weiß ich? What a flick for France. Yes. Yeah. A größten Flick. Alright, חבר'ה. Alright, חבר'ה, sie kommen der Zeit, man darf sich segnen, man darf sagen goodbye. Wo gehen wir schon hier rein? Was du gehen für eine lange Zeit, für eine kurze Zeit? Vielleicht was du gehen noch für ein bisschen, und das ungezint auf andere Tab gemacht mit YouTube, ja, eine Tab, warum ich mein dir, I really do appreciate it. Wo gehen wir schon für alle Likers, Shares, Commenters, and Subscribers, and especially members. That's what keeps the channel going. Wo gehen wir special thank you for Sally, for gave my super chat. And for Penny, for gave my super chat. Short today. Hell of a Zyga, bro. You know what I'm saying? All those goods. So, thank you for Penny. Thank you for Sally. Ich kaufe für alle Likes. Housekeeping. Regan Live Hand. 7 Zyger bei Nacht. Du willst supporten the channel. Aber a pinta address. A pinta a website. Es ist Buy Me a Coffee. Du willst raushelfen the channel. Aber du willst schicken und anything just like a quick pay, kannst du schicken zu viggivibes@gmail. Du wirst daraus helfen the channel. Es hat kein langer, riesiger Weg. Right, das ist dann mit Housekeeping. Okay, thank you all for being here. We'll see you all tonight. Peace and love. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.